Hello everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and if you like this look, please give me a like, subscribe, comments below, and we are gonna start. Yes, today it's all about this beautiful limited edition eyeshadow palette from Christian Dior. It's Pink Organza 123. We have a beautiful colors here. I will swatch for you. We're gonna talk more about this palette, but most important, if you like this look, let me come close to the camera. This is its video for you. I will show you step by step how I create this look, because you need to know how to use this palette to create this, right? Love you more than ice cream. Let's start. I want you to see this palette in a natural light, and you can see I'm not even touched. We have a beautiful pinky color in the center, then we have with you salmon, little bit gray, purple, and lighter color in this palette. But look at how texture on this eyeshadow palette. It's remind me like a quilt material. Also we have here two eyeshadow brushes here, and of course let me swatch for you. We have with you two colors, again very pretty. One it's purpley and another it's white, but it has this pinky, beautiful iridescent undertone. Now I have a color salmon and very light color. On a palette it looks gray. On my hand I'll say it is light purpley color. Right here it's a pink color and it looks like a baby pink. Before I shadow, let me take care of my skin first. I'm gonna use captivate serum. You will use this serum morning and night. Will plump your skin, will give me nice beautiful hydration. After serum, this amazing moisturizer I'm gonna use. Yes, it is expensive, I know girls, but I love this. Okay. And it's, look at this inside, it's like a little caviar, I will say, or rose sponge. This is moisturizer, 88% I believe hydration. Again, I like always to warm product on my skin. Press. Smell your products, enjoy, and then we're gonna follow with eye cream. And eye cream, I'm gonna use no Dior today. Sorry Dior, I discovered some amazing eye cream, which one it works for me now. Tata Natura Pese, it's the highest skincare brand in Spain, and it's like more spa brand. This one eye cream have a little bit color, girls. I really want you, and you will use this only eye cream in the morning, but of course if you're going somewhere at night and you want extra coverage, extra hydration, it's good. This is eye cream I use it in the morning to minimize my dark circles, or if sometimes I don't want to use any concealer, I can use this eye cream. Again, it's have a little bit color. Let me show you one eye and another eye right here. I think you can see I have a very dark circles, and just only this one eye cream. How pretty it's looking under my eyes. You can see how bright my eye, minimize my dark circles. Again, look at one eye and another, huge difference. Yes, it is expensive, but you need very little. And if I using this for almost 5 months, you probably can use for 8 months. And I like to put also on entire my eyelid. Now let's put primer. Today I'm gonna use Laura Mercier primer, and this is illuminating primer, have little bit color because I have discoloration, pigmentation. I want even my skin, and then I want to apply my foundation. Now I'm using Christian Dior Glow foundation. This foundation, it's color 2N, neutral undertone, medium to full coverage, but I like how glowing looking this foundation. For some reason, when it's winter, I want my skin glowing, and when it's summer, I want more my skin matte. For my concealer, I use Christian Dior Backstage. I love this brush. I like how like a liquidy but creamy texture. My colors, it's 2CR, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender, and I always like to push my concealer a little bit this way up, basically extra lift. I do have a lines and wrinkles. I'm using my little bit finger absorbent products. Then I do have a small like tiny brush. I believe this from MAC. I'm gonna just slightly blend my concealer because I can see it's a little bit in my lines right there. But this is what's gonna happen when you have a lines. Doesn't matter what concealer I feel. And now I am gonna set my concealer. I never try, but I'm gonna try today Christian Dior. I have loose powder Forever, and this is its color Fair. I am gonna use my beauty blender, and it's done. Then I have a little bit this powder right here on the corner, and I'm gonna set my concealer. Again, I don't know any idea if it's gonna look good or not. I will let you know. Let's see. I'm coming to camera very close. So far, it's not bad. It looks really good. This is where I have powder. This is where I do not have powder. I be honest, I'm very excited. I am so happy. I never try. We'll see in a little bit, like what I will finish this video like in 10 minutes probably, and I will let this sit conceal for a couple hours, and I come back and let you know how good or not this trick, because again, it's the first time I use an under my eyes powder from Dior. Now I'm just using big brush with same loose powder, and I'm setting my foundation. If you want your foundation stay all day long, you need to use powder, because after 1-2 hours your skin will absorb foundation and will looks like you don't have anything. I stopped recording video because I actually need to get my daughter from school, and it's taken me almost 1 hour. Did conceal crease little bit, not too much. I will still experience. Personally, no matter what concealer I use, it's always little bit crease, because after 45 this is what's happened. If I will find a magic, I'm gonna scream everywhere. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. But so far I not yet found even one concealer which one is like not creased at all. If you ask me about 5 years ago, I don't have this issue, but now 45 issue it came. Okay, let's do eyebrows. I'm gonna use mascara. It's a brow mascara from Christian Dior. I'm gonna just slightly shape my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna put little bit pencil. I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna use this, of course, amazing eyeshadow palette. After eyebrow mascara, I'm gonna use pencil, very little, just to add volume where I need or fill a gaps. Eyebrows, it's done, and eyebrows make a huge difference. Let's use primer from North, and my color is, I believe, light I'm gonna apply on the entire my eyelid, and then we're gonna use eyeshadow. Because eyeshadow, you can see it's not too dark, they're not so intense color. I definitely need my primer. I have a big blending brush. We're gonna use this first color, and I am gonna apply right here on the top of my eyelid, and all I'm gonna do just little bit blend. First color, it's not metallic, it's have a little bit shimmer, not much, and it's very subtle color. Now I have another big blending brush, and we're gonna use this salmon color. Right here it's my salmon eyeshadow, and I'm a little bit using my hand, removing extra products, make sure products even on my brush. This color I apply in the corner and I go up. Basically it's my middle color. I reapplying one more time this color. Yes, this color it's not too intense, but how I apply colors, these colors actually don't look like a salmon, it's more looks like a pink on my eye. Look at this. Time to use this color. This is the darkest colors in this palette, and it looks like it's taupey purple undertone. I'm gonna apply this darker color right here on the corner and right here on the corner. I reapply a few more times to build color. Again, don't expect so heavy, intense color from this collection. This is it's your spring flirty look. Also, I have my beauty blender. I'm gonna slightly little bit clean right here underneath. Now I have a setting mist, I have a small tiny brush, and I'm gonna spray this brush, and it's time to use this Christian Dior pink color. I apply this color right here on the center. Oh my god! This is so pretty. Oh my god, it's like intense, bright color. I like it. You know what? Let me use my finger, and I'm gonna just apply this color by itself. And I want to see, oh, it's a huge difference. Look at this and this. You can see how intense this. Oh, I like it. I'm gonna even my look. Now I have another small tiny brush, and we're gonna use the lightest color in this palette. I'm gonna apply under my brow bone. Oh, this is pretty, and it does have a nice pigment. It's not sheer, it is nice. And of course, let's apply this color right here on the corner. Now I'm gonna use brown eyeliner from Christian Dior underneath, and I apply very softly. I don't want too heavy, too intense. I have a small blending brush, and we're gonna use this darker eyeshadow right here underneath, but again, it's not too dark, it's very soft. I'm setting my brown eyeliner, and this brown eyeliner, it's have like very unusual color. It's hard to describe, but it's like a brown with a little bit purplish undertone. Time to use liquid eyeliner, and I am using Christian Dior waterproof eyeliner. I apply very close to my lash line, just pressing, nothing crazy. Eyeliner, it's done, and I'm really happy with this pink color. Again, it's not too dark, it's a beautiful pop, but remember, I use MAC setting spray. Let's finish this look very fast. I apply primer for my lashes from Christian Dior. Ooh, I make little boo-boo, but it's okay. We're gonna let this dry and then I will very easy to clean this. And I'm using Christian Dior Over Curl Mascara. My eyes, it's done. I do like this very, like I will say, soft, bright, but it's not as sparkly. It's like glowing pearly look. I'm a little bit pale and now it's time to use bronze. I'm gonna use bronze actually from Estee Lauder. It's have 3 different colors. Again, I apply on my brush, I use in my hand. I'm gonna apply very, very close to my hairline and I kind of like a buff into my skin. On my skin, these products, I'm going to underneath, nothing harsh, nothing heavy. Right here, this is, I will say, my hairline. This is where I apply in first color, like kind of dark, and then I push in this bronze up. Time to use highlighter. I have a sample and this is its number 2 Christian Dior highlighter. I love this color. It's have little bit like it's a pinky light undertone and it's perfect for this look. My look, it's really soft. Definitely this spring look. Let me know if you like or not, and if you're not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe, or if you like this look, please give me a like. Love you more than ice cream. Let's finish this look with lip color. First I'm gonna use lip liner from Christian Dior color 824 and it's Saint Germain, and then liquid lipstick from Christian Dior number 100. And then I decide what kind of blush would I wanna use. And for my blush, let's use this famous pink blush. And I do need to reapply couple times to build a color. And I'm finishing my look using MAC lip gloss. I believe Rock to the Reach. It's a beautiful, beautiful pearl pink lip color. Love you more than ice cream.